can't believe I've been working on the side view all the time and it finally looks amazing. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, man. What? Sculpting is freaking impossible. Anatomy. Oh my god, man, please let me out of this. Amazing artist Raf Grassetti did a torso sculpting video not long time ago when he sculpts a full torso in 10 minutes. If you're one of those people who get discouraged by these type of videos, then I'm gonna show you that not everyone can make a torso in 10 minutes, and you will be able to see how hardly I'm struggling with trying to replicate what he has done. So yeah, I'm inviting everyone to join this exercise, and if you're actually gonna do it, then just Google male or female torsos, which one you're wanting to do. I'm probably gonna do a female because I'm pretty much more confident with it, but maybe I'm gonna decide actually when I'm gonna go while doing it. So yeah, if you're doing it, then pause the video, search male or female anatomy you wanna learn on the torso. I usually write sculpting references because it makes it easier to find. So yeah, let's go. I'm definitely sure that I'm gonna take more time to make it look as good as Rafael Grassetti did, so I'm not even thinking that I'm able to do it, and it's probably gonna make it easier for you to understand that, like, he's a master and not everyone can do it, so you shouldn't get discouraged if you can't do the same as he did, which is normal. I can't do the same as he did, and probably most of people can't. Okay, so I know he did a basic head and like a hands, but I don't know, I will try to do the same, but I need more time. Okay, I'm just gonna increase. Oh, I don't see my statistics, man. 1000? I thought that it had way more. Okay, smooth. I'm gonna at least try to go real quickly, so I'm not gonna explain too much on what I'm doing, but this video is just to inspire you to have a practice as well. Because the practice is the most important thing on art. Trial and error, as everyone says. And I'm having to do the torso. I'm working more on the head. Just head looks so bad. Oh my god. What I got into. So you see, like, to make the shapes look correct and nice, it takes a long of time. Oh my god, dude, like, I think I spent like a minute already, more than a minute, and I have nothing done. Okay, the head is definitely too big. And it's not helping that I can't really remember the shortcuts. I think this is gonna work. So yeah, learning shortcuts is very important as well. Guess it's definitely gonna speed up your sculpting. Using favorites in your brushes is important as well, because it's definitely gonna speed up, because you can access the brushes which doesn't have a shortcuts way faster than usual. By the way, like, if you're interested to this, I recommend you, after you finish this practice, just try watching his video and just see how much faster it actually is. Like, I think torso for me is at least an hour to make it look like a torso. But just as for challenge, I'm gonna try to do the same in much shorter time. And like, one of the things why people don't really like 3D is that it's extremely slow process. It's usually way slower than drawing. People get discouraged because they cannot achieve what they want fast. Like, same as me, if I see the nice drawing image, I'm like, oh, I want to make it. But then it's like, I know how long it will take for me to finish. And I'm like, oh god, if I go into it, it's probably gonna take me like at least a few months to finish. Like, the last character I did at my art station took me more than a half years to finish. It's not that I was constantly working all those half a year, it's just that, especially if you're learning, if you're doing it from the beginning and you have a lot of stuff to learn, and it's not as much as work as learning the process and what you have to do. And it's same for me, I'm still very much learning everything, and it takes time. And getting discouraged is okay. Everyone does. It's in the process of creating, I guess. Okay, I always forget the shortcuts. Probably should make this like this. Look at these muscles, my dude. Is he a Chad? Yeah, so I'm just gonna inflate quickly. And I don't want it to do anything with the hands because I'm already like so behind with the torso and the time. As you can see, it's like so hard for me to fit it in time. Let's see how much time I still have. I'm like halfway in, man. And it's not looking great. When I tried doing this, like when watching him, I got a bit better result because you can halfway try to follow the guy, but it's like impossible to get the shapes as correct as he did in such a short time. But I feel like if the person focus on achieving fast sculpting, learning everything where the anatomy is correct, you can definitely learn to do it way faster. That's why speed sculpts can be very beneficial for you. And working on your speed is great, but on a first, I think he is already very accomplished artist, and for people who are just beginning, it's definitely way better to work on your accuracy than speed. And if your art is very high level and you feel very comfortable, then you can try increasing your speed. So yeah, I can already see that I'm having like did like 1,000 mistakes in this. I'm just gonna try shaping the head a bit more so I can get a feel on how the torso should be. One of the mistakes new people does is they want a very quick results of their sculpt, like just as this challenge, 10 minutes. You want to have a great result in 10 minutes. Like, I'm sculpting for a quite long time, but I can't do anything in 10 minutes. It takes me so much more longer to get into place where I want. Okay, I have like 1 minute left, a bit more than 1 minute, so I will just try putting in the last muscles. Definitely not gonna have as much information as he pulled off. Okay, so I have the last 30 seconds left. Okay, so this is where I end up. It's not bad, but it's pretty horrible. I'm actually gonna go now and do it much slower. I'm just gonna go through it again and try to achieve a bit higher level of the scope. So if you got a bit more inspired, you can do it too. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Oh, I'm already I'm gonna do the time lapse, and I'm gonna give myself another 30 minutes. You should do it as well. So good luck, everyone, and I hope you enjoy the time lapse. Maybe I'm gonna tell something in the video end. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay guys, so it's been around 30 minutes, which is half an hour. I think this is where I'm gonna end. It was fun exercise. I hope you had fun as well. There's definitely things I can tweak on this, but I'm gonna keep it at this. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you practice as well, and see you next time.